Hello, my name is Cristian Campos. I am Peruvian. In this video tutorial, I continue explain CrowdMaster for example, how you can combine two or more characters in agents or in crowds, in other things. For this tutorial, I use Makehuman for generate my characters. Makehuman is this is your site web, they make Makehuman, correct? If you go in download, you can in Windows you can download a exe file. You can execute and pick next, and that's it. In Windows, install that. And for Ubuntu or Linux, you can select these commands for repository: sudo apt-get update and sudo apt install Makehuman, and that's it. You can show have some like that graphic Makehuman. Makehuman is a powerful program, open source for make characters. Very easy, very funny. And it's the page of CrowdMaster. Page of CrowdMaster. You can search docs for learn more of CrowdMaster, and download. You can download this, the current version 1.3.2. CrowdMaster was created with Peter Noble, John Roper, and Andrew Battery. Okay, about Makehuman, you can select in section main gender, male, female or male, age, baby or old man, muscle, for example, weight, like that. Correct. For the left button of mouse, you can rotate inside Makehuman. For the scroll, zoom in, zoom out, correct. Proportions, African, Asian or Caucasian, correct. Okay. You can select different also set settings, correct. Face, for example, more circle, more square, the face, correct. In the torso, also you can select more men, correct. Dorso, scale conche, correct, etc. In the section geometries, you can select clothes. In the clothes, I can select different types. I select frac black for my character. Shoes black also, right? Also, I have eyes, hair, teeth, but in hair I select, for example, afro. For the character, for me is fine. In post animate, I create armature for my character inside Makehuman. For example, default no toads, correct. Armature default exists. This armature for motion capture database, VVH, or for game engine like Unity, for armature pre-configured, optimized. I select default no toads, and now going section file, section export. For export my character, I select path, for example, export characters, export, correct. Export characters. Makehuman test. I create, for example, character 1, and I create a names of my character, char 1 save. I make him save. If you find ch1, I have .die archive and texture inside. And now go in Blender 2.7 and I will import my character. Import, file import, I pick colada, correct, and I select my colada and pick import colada. Alright, I have my character. Press N for show right panel. Correct. In outliner I select my character. I select bones, the armature section armature, and check X-ray for can weight my bones. Stick bone, correct. I'm saying is white for me. For the, if you watch for the texture of frag of cloth, I connect, correct. If frag is your name of texture is made elegant suite, correct. I click use node in color, pick here and select image texture, clicking open, and I select colada ch texture file, the same name, no, this make elegant suite, no, open image, and that's it. If you want texture, my character have your the same way for the hair. Use nodes, color, image texture, correct, open, texture, and hair, no, this afro diffuse, open image. For the shoes, use node, image texture, open, and shoes. Correct. Shoes. Okay. For the A's, no? For the A's, use nodes, image texture, open, the A's. Correct. If you want cycles, that's it. Correct. I animate this character. I save this file, Blender file. Correct. Two demos, CrowdMaster 2. Save, yes. I go in section animation, like the first tutorial, one from ortho, and select my armature, correct. Armature, object mode, pose mode, correct. It's my pose mode. and select with A, select all my bonds, should be blue color, and select and press I key and choose location rotation scale. Okay, maybe location rotation 5, but location rotation scale. Correct. I create my keyframes, and I with arrow key I select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 right arrow, and I select, for example, this bone with R of rotate, like that one. 3, excuse me, Control C, R, like that. 3 for right ortho, this leg, correct. 1, select this R, okay, and select all my with A all my keyframes, E, location rotation scale, correct. And my first animation, correct. I going 8 more, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, more or less. And I make a mirror, select A, with scroll I zoom in for watch better my more close my keyframes, and select copy keyframes should be all in blue. This keyframe also into top shift and pick and press this button and press keyframes flip it. Okay, and I have correct my first animation. Correct. I going in this F key, I select with A all my keyframes. This line should be blue color. Press V of victory, automatic for more smooth. If you go again, correct. This is my first character. Okay, I return on default, correct. I return back object mode. Okay, for this animation, correct. I rotate my character, correct. I end panel, I rotate my character. After of rotate, I create my group, no, my group for create the agent, no. I select with A all character, correct, and press Ctrl G, the group, Ctrl G, and rename the group CH01 or gear with group, no, underline CH01, correct. If you go in session groups, it should be watch my group, no, group. Okay, I rotate, and now RC 190. Okay, fine. Now I clean my character, no? This location rotation scale should be 000011, correct. Control A location, Control A rotation, and Control A scale. 001 should be. Okay, I have my first character. This character I translate another layer, select my character, like group, press M, I move this layer, my character are now P5 layer, correct? I return a first layer, and for hide my panel, and I will make another character, correct? For example, geometries cloud, no shoes, main, return modeling, main, gender, age, muscle, not little bit skinny, Caucasian, correct? Proportion for me is weight, height, more, correct? More height. In geometries, for more casual, like that, correct? Brown shoes. Hair, like maybe like that. Okay, that's it. Is my character. Post animate, select default node toads, I export colada, correct, and then create another file for more order. Carpet, for example, colada underline ch02, for example. And then now I select my new folder, and I change only chart2 call. Pick save, Makehuman save and export. And now I return Blender file, import. I'm going import colada, correct? My colada 2, colada die, import colada, chart2 die. That's it. I have my two character, correct? I will make a more fast for connect the texture. Texture open, colada texture, this open, correct? For the shoes, for the shoes, for the eyes, for the shoes. Image texture for the shoes, correct? For the hair, image texture, color texture. And that's it. Okay. Default skin, I make skin for my pleasure. Okay, this is my second character. I animate also little bit. I go animation 1, I try select my section my bones. X-ray, correct, X-ray, correct. I say pause animate, and I select with A all my keyframes, correct. Maybe stick for watch better my keyframes. With A all my keyframe, A, press A, local rotation scale. I create my first keyframe. I go in my timeline 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 left arrow, and I select, for example, this arm here, this arm is showed, for example, yeah, and for example select all keyframes and press I, location rotation scale, and that's it. It's my animation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Copy should be all with A, all select all my bones and all my keyframes should be blue. Press copy and pass like a mirror, correct. If you return in my timeline in the beginning, I'll show. Correct. For more smooth, I press A in this section, if curve, B of victory, automatic, okay, and I can play. Okay, this is my second character with animate, some animate. For this animate, maybe I change action editor, correct, and this animate action Part2 call action, no? The first animate call Part2 one call action, no? This animate. I can change different animate, no? And also I can change the name, no? Correct. This is two animation. This animation. It's very basic. No? It's not more real, but it's for the example. I return and default, correct, and default, and again, and I make a group with this character. No? I back to object mode, correct, and I select. I can select if you want with shift all components in the Part2, correct, or select this all component with shift, or with A select in here in viewport, no? But I make my second group, Control G, and name headache underline search 2, correct. If you go in group, I'll show you two groups, this and this, correct. This group I move another layer with M, for example this layer, my first character in this layer 5, in my other character in layer 4. Okay, finally I make my last character, female, correct, and I back to Makehuman. It's very easy. You see, very easy for make pose animate and clothes, geometry clothes, no clothes, no shoes, no clothes. Make in modeling, main, correct, gender female, for example, age That's it. No, wait. Hey, more. Correct. In gender, torso, geometries, clothes. For example, I go this. Correct. Like that. Well, hair, like a woman. Okay. Genders, modelings, main, gender, Asian, China girl. Okay, China girl. Okay, and export this will files, export colada, and make another colada ch3, no? Colada ch03. I'm going ch3 and change the name 3. Save, and Makehuman will export this character and return on my first layer. File, import colada. I'm going 3, select char 3 color die, import colada. Right. Now I have my character. Correct. Again, the material. I pause for this action is more repeat, and I return. When I return, I connect the texture, correct, and now save, and now I make some animation, correct. For this animation also I pause, correct. Basic animation and return with animation make it. Hello, I return. This is my animation for female. Very well, like a merge. Well, this is my animation, correct. I have my 3 character for this example. Going to return. I back object mode, correct. I make a group for this character. Correct. I select all, Control G, GRCH3. If you call my group, I have my tier. I move this character in another layer in 3, 4, and 5, correct. Okay, for this character I should also clean the bones and rotate, no? Select 2 character, RC, I think 0, RC 90. Okay. The ace should be watched in this direction, and for show my right panel, Control A for clean rotation 0, should be 0, 0, 0, 1. Control A rotation 0. Location, rotation, scale, rotation, location, scale, for all components rotation, location, scale, shoes, hair, bones, also bones. Rotation, location, scale. For make this better in online. Location scale 001. Here location scale. If you don't that, CrowdMaster not work very fine. No? The clones or the agent not generate very well. No? For example, -0 no should here appear. Control A, location scale. Location scale. I clean reset all my position of component in my character. Okay, this is okay. The same way I have also this character is my one character. In the outliner select my character. Okay, -0 no. Scale 1 by 1. Rotation scale. Okay, continue location scale. Okay, it's fine. And finally, the same way for 3 characters. No, I rotate this character RC 90, correct? And I have the same way. No? Rotation scale. Rotation. 001. And 001. 001. Okay, that's it. All my character is clean, is reset, ready for CrowdMaster. Okay, I'm going. I return for my first layer. I press Shift A for create a plane, like a floor. Okay, the very basic, no? Like tutorial 1, no? For better for much better my CrowdMaster, I have order of panel. No? I pick mass. I like CrowdMaster. I name CrowdMaster. Okay, CrowdMaster, correct, and then I make this correct. I select node editor here, N for height right panel. This panel is okay, and also node editor here. T for show this panel, and N for hide this panel. I select CrowdMaster and also CrowdMaster. No? T for, I'll select this, correct this, and select this, because CrowdMaster work in 2 panels, no? Of node 8. Okay. Okay. I generate my first new color. Okay. My light, I wish like a sun. Excuse me. Shift C. 8. Okay, more or less. My floor little bit dark, more dark. Okay. Maybe I create HDR. Like that. I pick display, here display, or background. Okay, and for hide this, well, more or less. Okay, I create my first characters. Shift A, add. I create new for new instance of new place of CrowdMaster. I click in input, geometry. I select group, Shift A, geometry group. Correct. I pick my first character. Correct. Is year ch1. I select template. My template is simulation 01. Correct. In this template also I select a new node, is random. Here for the agents or for the crowd, I select random rotation and random scale. In this way I select random height, no? for different character. I connect this, I connect position random, is for position. First I have very basic, and after I include this node. Correct. Output generate, for generate my agent. Number of agents, how agents 25 for me is very well. Separate in radius between agent. Correct. Okay, I connect this template for my generate node. Group template with another name, random for the position and generate. Correct. And file, save my file. Okay, and I pick this generate agent. Okay, my agents was I generate. If I control C for view render, I shall be my agents. Correct. Maybe with the animation. Okay, nice. This animation here. This animation, correct? This is my agent in random position. Okay, but if you want these agents, if you want that each agent can be different height, more high, less high. Well, this CrowdMaster have this node random for geometry. No? Shift A, geometry random. Excuse me, template random. This I have random for my rotation and random for my scale of agents. For example, scale 1 to 5 and 0.4 for 1 to 8. Okay. This one for this moment is working with arrows left and right, no? Okay, this is for example. Okay, I create 30 agents, little bit more, and I generate my agents with this random height, no? scale for my agents, and generate. I pick generate agents. That's it. My agents have different scale. If you want Control C for mode render in cycle, I can see my different scale, like a okay, it's super cool, no? And for the rotation also, for example, I can do one, for example. Okay, again save my file and generate agents. Okay, my agents little bit watch here and here. Okay, cool. More done. It's fine, huh? It's fine. Okay, and now how I can connect my other characters, no? Well, CrowdMaster have a node for blend or combine my characters. For this, I insert again geometry group. This change, I select my my group character 2, correct, and I have template. This is template, correct, for connect, and I have geometry. I choose node switch for combine two characters. I connect and I connect this object. Amount is different. How different number of agents should be for the character 1 or for the character 2. More for character 1 or more of character 2. No? If you have, for default is 0.5 if 50-50, no? For example, save, two group connect a geo-switch node, is node for combined characters, template, random position, and generate agents. If you, I will save, if you press generate agents, okay, my agents is combined, correct? Maybe I can the radius more big, 25. Generate agents. Okay, if you enter mode render, I can see my other agents, no? 50-50, no? Is correct. But if you want more black agents, for example, This work like mix shader, no, of a material cycle, no. If you combine two colors, if you 10% is color 1 and 0% is the other color, no? For example, if you select for example 0, I have character 1, I think. I select generate agent. Excuse me, I have only character 2. If you choose 0 into GeoSwitch, only character 2. If you select 1, only character 1. I have only character 2. Only character 2. If you change want, I will show me character 1. Generate agents, only character 1. Okay, so only character 1. Correct. Okay. And well, I have 0.6, correct? 0.6. If you want another tier character number tier, well, I select GeoSwitch, Shift A for duplicate node, correct. I put here and select Shift A duplicate node and select my group, my character group 3. I call it my object DOS. This amounts 0.3, correct. Save and will show appear the woman character. Generate agents, and that's it. And now if you go in Shift C, I have more girl. Minus this character 2 and minus this character of frag. No? This way I have managed my characters. Correct. 0.7 for more the other character. No, I think be fine. Okay. Okay. Cool. And now, how I connect my animation, correct, for these characters? Well, for this, I go in this place, correct, for this icon, no? This correct, and now I copy this template, this brain type simulation, this name, Control select and Control C, correct. And now I have select this icon, this little man, orange, and click new. You have select and Control UV this same name, no? Simulation 01 should be the same name of the name of inside template, brain type, no? Simulation 1, for connect my animation into my generate agents, correct. I hope can explain. My apology for my English, but I try speak better. Correct. And now I show my T-panel. Okay. In this section agent, I have how number of agent I have, no? 30. In action, like the first tutorial, I select my first action, press button plus, correct? I select name whatever of you want, ACT01 for example. What action? This action, this from my this animation, no? Animation chart call action. This name, no, for my actions I create in the section animation. This keyframe, the action 1, action 2, and action 3. Correct? Okay. The phone of CrowdMaster, no? I CrowdMaster. I return. Correcto. Action 1. Here repeat. Char call action 1. And for another ACT02 chart 02 call action, share 02 call action, and press 03 chart 3 correct. Okay, I have my 3 animation, and I begin, no? Input constant, correct? 0.2 for my agent can forward, correct? And output position, yeah, correct. Connect this input with this output, save, and should be this character should be forward, have forward movement, correct. I will press start simulation for the animation. Okay, my characters move. Okay, it's work. If you want, I change the constant. I think so. No, noise for random forward movement, correct. For example, again start animation. My characters move random. Some characters more fast, some characters more slow. Stop animation, correct. I return constant. (0.1) is fine for me. Okay, and I connect my animation. For example, I Shift A, I select state action, correct, and Shift A state start is for begin my animation. In start length, I select cycle state for this animation can be loop, automatic calculate the keyframes in each animation, and CrowdMaster will make a loop for animation for the repeat when the animation ending. Action name is the action name not the name of what I create inside this slot. In this case, act01 connect to the front. Okay, save. Again, and again I start simulation. You must say I save, correct, and start my simulation. If you want the animation, I have my animation of the walk cycle, no? Like that. And CrowdMaster automatic calculate and create a loop of animation. No? It's very cool. No? It's very easy for create animation. Okay, maybe a little more fast, 0.22. And I connect the other, well, excuse me, in this section of I Shift A, Shift D for repeat this animation, and I select Act 2, this is no name of second animation, and Shift D for repeat, and select Act 3 for name of third and last animation, and I connect this and this and save, correct, and I return with file save, and I start animation, and my animation have the same action. For what? Because I now have connect this input in the animation here, and I select noise, correct, for random animation. Select here noise, select here noise, and connect output for this value average output for this average. You connect in each action node. Save, correct. This is my configuration. I return, save, and I will start simulation. Press. Okay, my animation have different movement. This here, this like a march, correct. If you pause, I can see better what happened. This animation is for here. Correct, another animation here, this animation. Look. Okay. This animation, another animation. This, for example, like a margin. Well, this is the very basic for CrowdMaster. How connect animation, how make a random scale for each character and random position, connect different animation. If you like this video, please like for make more video. I try better, much better the English. For example, if you want many more agents, for example, I don't know, 50, no? And I stop simulation, for example, I return, and I 50 for 50, no? Generate agent. CrowdMaster have generate agent for 50, no? Correct? More agents, more characters. Okay, for the image HDR, no? If you have more characters, is the calculate initial depend of power of machine of computer can be more slow the first time, no? Okay, but if you want only the armature or bones for watch the position or the animation, I can make this, no? I uncheck, excuse me, in template, in bright type, check defer geometry. Just only I watch the armature, no? Is obviously is more fast, more fast, more quickly. For example, I check this option and I click generate agents. My agents only armature. Correct? This way I can watch my position and the animation also. If you click start simulation, I can be the animation. Correct? Okay, this is my second very basic tutorial of English. I hope like, and please like if you want like. Again, thank you for watching and see you later.